Assalamualaikum. Uh, Today, my group and I from Group 7C want to present about our project that's called Tyres. Okay. Our member led by Muhammad Ishaq, Muhammad Hanif, Haziq Adam, Iqbal Hakim, and Muhammad Kahar. We are from section 7 and 8. Okay, about tire. Everybody knows what tire is, but not many know why tire come in all different size. Okay, in American English, a tire called TIRE, and in British English, that's called TYRE. It's a component design to transfer a load of application through the wheel. Tire provide a footprint called a contact patch designed to match the weight of the vehicle with a bearing strength. A tire is strong, flexible, rubber casing attached to the rim of the wheel. And tire provide gripping surface for traction and surf cushion. Tire is found on automobile, truck, bus, aircraft landing gear, tractor, and other farm equipment. Industrial vehicles such as forklift, gear command, conveyance, such as baby carriage, shopping cart, wheelchair, bicycle, and motorcycle. Most vehicles are pneumatic. And tire also is held under pressure inside the tire. Okay, for tire machinery, our course is about science and engineering. Behind tire is fascinating. It's complex and unpredictable because tire are the one most intrinsic mechanical composite existing in the engineering universe. It's mixed by steel, nylon, polyester, and rubber in the form of round object of the tire. Tire is through connection of vehicle to the road, so they need to deliver what we expected, such as comfort, safety, and reliability. In a simple way, tire carry a vehicle load. So they need to be designed with a super high safety mindset. Tire combination of art, engineering, and science. It's a never-ending dance with a world of target conflict. However, tire development engineer work to find the best of performance, such as balance, delivery, desired appearance, and ensuring the expected cost will be met. Other than that, our material on that tire is synthetic rubber, natural rubber, fabric, and wire that combine together with carbon black and other chemical compound in a way of modern pure pneumatic tire. They consist three and a body, and it's provide traction while the body provide for a quantity compressed of air. Okay. Next is material selection. All right.
Okay, material selection have two. First, natural rubber. Natural rubber is a polymer derived from the sap of certain tree species. It is a very elastic and resistant material used in the manufacture of variety of products such as tires, rubber bands, gloves, and other rubber products. Natural rubber has a number of desirable properties that it may well suit for tire manufacturing include first, elasticity. Tires are made from a rubber compound that is designed to be highly elastic. allowing them to deform and conform to the shape of the road surface as they roll over it. Second, resilient. Resilient is also very resilient, meaning it can absorb and release energy with stress. Means stress when a tire is stressed, it is subjected to a significant amount of force or pressure. This can come from a variety of sources, such as the weight and speed of the vehicle. It is important to regularly check your tires to ensure that they are good in condition. And lastly, grip. Grip also a high level of grip, uh, like ability to maintain traction on the road surface. A tire with a good grip is able to maintain a strong connection with the road. Tires with a deeper tread pattern and a softer tire compound tend to have a better grip. And then synthetic rubber. Synthetic rubber is a man-made polymer that is produced from chemical feedstock rather than natural source like a tricep. It is used a variety of application, including tires, seals, hoses, and other rubber products. There are several types of synthetic rubber, each of which has its own unique properties. First, styrene butadiene rubber (SBR). Styrene butadiene rubber is made from a copolymer of styrene and butadiene. It is commonly used in the production of tires, hoses, and belts, and other rubber products. And second, butadiene rubber. This synthetic rubber is known for its high elasticity and resilience. It is commonly used in the production of like tires, and then is a good for good elasticity and low temperature properties. And next, ethylene propylene dimonomer rubber. This synthetic rubber is known for its good weather resistant and is often used in outdoor application. And lastly, natural rubber. Natural rubber is a synthetic rubber that is made from acrylonitrile and butadiene. It is commonly used in the production of seals and good resistant to oil, fuel, and other chemicals. Okay.
My name is Muhammad Iqbal Hakim, and today I will present about processing and manufacturing. So, processing rubber. The rubber is processed in 4 processes. That is compounding, mixing, shaping, and vulcanizing. So, the first one is compounding, process up to modifying rubber for a specific function by adding the chemical and ingredients. So, the second one is by mixing. The rubber must be properly blended with the additive. And the third one is shaping. Shaping have 4 general methods are used to shape the rubber product. The first one is extrusion, calendering, coating, molding, and casting. But the process is depend on the product. And the fourth one is vulcanizing. Vulcanizing is a final stage which form a cross connection between the rubber polymers, varies based on the needs of the finished rubber products. Synthetic rubber is actually a natural rubber with a mixture of petrochemicals in a lab or factory, which is made from the latex sap of a rubber tree. So next we go to rubber manufacturing process. The collection of latex from the rubber trees is the first step in the manufacture natural rubber. The first step in collecting latex from the rubber tree is called to cut the bark latex into a cup and the faster of the base tree cuts. Large tanks are used to collect the latex material from the several trees. Then we go to the next 3.4.
is a financial plan for rubber tire manufacturing. So for the raw material, the estimated cost is $10, labor cost is $5, and then the material manufacturing cost 0.5, marketing and advertising cost $1, other expense is 0.5. So the total cost is actually 17, same with the all the internet things. And then we go to the next person.
My name is Muhammad Furqan bin Muhammad Zaka. Okay. Point number 4 is suitable of selection materials and processing. 4.1 is rubber. Natural and synthetic rubber, also known as polymer, are the main components of a car tire. Rubber has the disadvantage that it wears out quickly and can harden at low temperatures or become soft at high temperatures. Natural rubber is devised from rubber trees on large plantations. The bark of the trees in the process is cut and the milky sap is collected. The milky sap as a latex. Okay, synthetic rubber offers the advantage that its properties can be modified. As the manufacturer, when selecting materials, we can ensure that your tires will get you safely through any weather. Point number 2 is filler. Filler is in general, filler are added to the rubber. Fillers can be carbon black, silica, carbon or chalks. They bind the rubber and make it more resistant to wear, as a rubber on its own can crumble particularly as a result of breaking. Fillers are also the reason for the color of tires. Carbon black was the first filler to be used and gave the tires their color. However, color tires never made their breakthroughs even when other fillers and therefore other color came into play later on. That is why tires are still black to this day. To the early days, we used silica in the compound for modern tire manufacturing. This substance binds the rubber particularly well with the sulfur, which is essential for the vulcanization of the tires later on. During this process, the tire material is heat to combine the chemical bond of the individual substance to create elastic rubber. Point number 3 is plasticizer. Plasticizer are needed to ensure that the tire gives you a positive and safe feeling while driving, even in snow and rain. This oil, this oil and resins make the tire flexible and improve the grip of the materials. Oil also contribute to the skid resistance of the tire. That is why more oil are used in winter tires than in summer tires. Plasticizer prevent the rubber from curing at low temperatures. We explain why winter tires are particularly effective at the temperature below 7 degrees Celsius. That's all from the point number 3.
My name is Muhammad Hanif bin Zulkifli. For the conclusion, the most common applications of tires are for transportation purposes such as automobiles and bicycles. They are pneumatically inflated structures that provide a flexible cushion that absorbs shock as the tire rolls over a rough surface. It is a circular shape component designed to transfer a load of an application through the wheel to the ground and to provide traction on the surface over which the wheel travels. Continuous improvements in rubber chemistry and tire design are resulting in exciting new tires that offer increased mileage and better performance in extreme weather conditions. Manufacturers now offer tires with an estimated mileage of up to 80,000 miles, traits which are computer designed and tested, now feature unique asymmetrical bands that improve traction and safety on wet or snowy roads. Such a tire offers lower rolling resistance, the fuel economy, and superior handling because of a greater area of contact between track and road. Last one for the reference. These are the reference that we took from the website. That's all from me. Thank you.